Hi guys, welcome back. Today we have in a Kia Sportage. This is a 2020 model and I'm going to show you how to change the cabin filter, which is located just in there. So let's get into it and I'll show you how to do it. So to replace our cabin filter on a 2020 Kia Sportage, come around the passenger side and then we are going to be looking in the glove box. So open the glove box and you can see this tab here and this tab here. And what we're going to do is untwist it, pull it out, untwist it and pull it out. And then down the side here, you've got the bar. And what we need to do is pinch these together and pull the bar off. So when you pinch that together, pull the bar off, glove box will fall down. And then under here, you see this trap door. There's a little squeeze tab on the side. And it just comes out, squeeze tab there, you see. And then inside there, we're gonna take out our pollen filter. This one is minging, as they always are. Note the airflow, which is facing down. So we get our new pollen filter, airflow down, and we are going to go in. Just like that. Once we have gone in, get our little trap door. Push it back on, make sure that clips in nicely. And then we're going to lift up. Just pull the soft close bar down and push it on. And then we're going to push it in slightly. And we'll take these little clips and then once you push it up slightly so it goes past the bar there, you can push the clip in and turn it so it locks into position. Do the same on both sides. Just like that. So then you have your two clips in position. Then you put all your stuff back in your glove box and shut it, and there you go. So there you have it. There's a quick video on how to change your pollen filter in a 2020 Kia Sportage. If you like the video, hit the thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.